Hello students, welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. In this video we will discuss the previous year questions MCQs of OUAT entrance examination 2009. So in this video we will discuss the biology MCQs of OUAT entrance examination 2009. The first question is paleontology is the study of, so it is the study of fossils. Next question, which of the following deals with plants and environmental relationship? So the answer is ecology. Okay, study of disease of different plant disease is called as plant pathology. Next question, and the science of vegetable culture is called as, so vegetable culture is called as olericulture. Next question, pedology is the science of, so pedology is the science of soil. Okay, to study about different types of soil pH, soil temperature, the soil texture, its chemistry, it is all about pedology. The basic unit of classification is species. Who is the father of taxonomy? So the father of taxonomy is Carolus Linnaeus. Next question, which spreads the cyst of Entamoeba histolytica? So here the answer is housefly. Next question, softener granules are found in malaria patient is the cells of, so here the right answer is RBC. Okay, plasmodium, what is plasmodium? It is monogenetic. Next question, regulation of water in the body is called as, so it is called as the osmoregulation. The tail of tadpole larva is lost in adult Herdmania due to, so the right answer is tedatism. Next question, the most characteristic feature of plant cell is, the main characteristic feature is the presence of plastids or the chlorophyll containing organ of plant cell. Next question, ATP transport is the function of, so ATP transportation is the function of mitochondria. It is called as the powerhouse of the cell because it can generate ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate energy currency. So it is utilized, ATP is utilized whenever the cell require energy. Okay, mitochondria are activated by, so mitochondria are activated by nucleus. Nucleus controls all the activity of the cell, so it is called as the brain of the cell. Next question, peroxisomes were discovered by, so peroxisomes were discovered by D. Duve. The activities of all living cells are controlled by, the nucleus. It is called as the brain of the cell. Next question, the site of respiration within cell. The site of respiration within the cell is the mitochondria. Okay. Next question, animal cell is limited by plasma membrane. They lack cell wall. Next question, which of the following is described as energy currency of the cell? I have already told you it is the ATP, adenosine triphosphate. The acrosome of human sperm is formed by, Golgi bodies. Crossing over of chromosome takes place during which stage? So crossing over takes place in Pachytin stage of meiosis, and during that crossing over the recombination occur. Okay. Next question, genetic crossing usually takes place during, so it takes place during meiosis 1 because meiosis 2 is same as the mitosis. During meiosis the chromosome number is halved. Next, the plant question is, in plant cells cell plate formation is, so it is centrifugal. Next question, a transformed cell of the body which has lost control over its division is called as, so it is called as cancerous cell. Next question, virus which cause cancer is also known as, the right answer is oncogenic virus. The chromosome are made up of DNA. Centromeres are found in so the right answer is secondary constriction. Next question, a hybrid has, question number 162, a hybrid has both nuclei of two fusing cells. Genes are arranged on chromosomes. Next question, RNA is found only in, so RNA is found only in ribose. Next question, the amino acid proline is coded by, so proline is coded by CCU, CCC and CCA. So the answer is all of the above. Next question is, Mendel was born at, so Mendel was born at Hessendorf. Next, the A, B and O types of human blood groups were discovered by, so it was first discovered by Landsteiner. AB blood group is an example for codominance, because here A as well as B alleles can be expressed. Is antigens are also called, so antigens are also called as agglutinogens. Next question, the antigen present in blood group A. The antigen present in blood group A is A. Next question, water is lost lost from the plant body by, so water lost from plant body by transpiration as well as guttation. So answer is both A and B. The rate of transpiration is measured by, the potometer. Dilution of milk with water involves, so dilution involves diffusion. Next question, DPD stands for, so DPD stands for diffusion pressure deficit. Diffusion pressure of pure water is 0. A primary carnivore is also called as, so it is also called as secondary consumer. Chipku movement is associated with SI Bohuguna. The national headquarter of NEERI is at, so it is at Nagpur. The next question is, DDT is, so DDT is a non-degradable pollutant. Actually it is non-biodegradable pollutant. So option B is the correct one. Next question, two-wheelers can become environmental hazards mainly because of, so the right answer is the exhaust fumes. Okay, so it secretes very toxic gases to the environment which create pollution. Next question, we can find which of these birds only in jungle. So the right answer is hornbill. It is not hornbill, it is hornbill. HORNBILL, hornbill. Next question, in pond ecosystem, the food chain begins with, so the food chain begins with phytoplanktons. Okay, so it begins with phytoplanktons. What is phytoplanktons? These are very small plants. And the next trophic level is zooplankton, means very small animal, those eat the phytoplanktons. Next question, a food chain starts with photosynthesis. Okay, so food chain starts with plants, and the plants are the main source of energy for the entire food chain, and they prepare energy, they produce energy by photosynthesis. Okay, next question, the interconnected food chains are called as, it is called as food web. Interconnected food chain is called as food web. The theory of panspermia was proposed by Oparin. Next question, the theory of biogenesis was proposed by, so the theory was proposed by Louis Pasteur. Next question, the theory of chemical evolution was hypothesized by A.I. Oparin in which year? So the correct answer is 1914. Next question, Archaeopteryx is a link between, so it is a link between reptiles and birds. Mutation theory was proposed by Hugo de Vries. So option B is the correct one. The first life on earth was animal life. Next question, paratonic movements are phototropism, thigmotropism, geotropism. So right answer is all of this. Which of the following is known as the age of mammals? So age of mammals is Paleozoic. Next question, growth of plant organ involves, so it involves both cell division as well as its elongation. So option D is the correct one, both A and B. Next question is IAA, that means indole acetic acid plays role in, so it plays role in both phototropism, that means movement of plant towards right. Second, cell elongation. IAA, indole acetic acid, is an auxin, so it plays important role in phototropism as well as cell elongation. Next question is, gibberellic acid was first obtained in crystalline form by, so here the right answer is Yabuta as well as Sumiki. So they both obtained extracted crystalline form of gibberellic acid. Okay. Next question is, the naturally occurring gaseous hormone is, so correct answer is ethylene, generally which is produced by fruits. Next question, ABA or abscisic acid has the ability of influence to influence geotropism. Movement of root towards gravity is in the case of, so they show positive geotropism towards the gravities, they show positivity towards gravity. Next question, the dropping movement of leaves of mimosa plant or touch-me-not plant when touched, it is called as thigmotropism or thigmotropism. Okay, so it is all about the biology MCQs of OUAT entrance test 2009. So I hope you will get benefit from this video, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.